Doctors say this may be one of the worst flu seasons on record in Wisconsin. Many of you are suffering.
Yeah, you want relief? Our Ben Handelman says before you head out the door, you might want to know the one place doctors do not want to see you. Ben's at the Urgent Brown Deer, the urgent care there in Brown Deer.
Good evening, guys. Yeah, this is the place they do want to see you, here at a walk-in clinic or at your primary care doctor's office. But where they don't want to see you is the emergency room, and it's become a real big problem.
It's been very busy.
It has been an awful year for the flu, according to Dr. Matthew Delury at St. Joseph Hospital in Milwaukee. The wait time for patients running into the hours, it's so full, many hospitals in the area have run out of beds. The problem, he says, you shouldn't be here.
Compared to prior years, we are being inundated with patients in the emergency room, many of which do not need to be here.
It may be a tough pill to swallow, but doctors say if you are experiencing flu-like symptoms, the achy, fever, and cough, the emergency room may be the last place you should be.
That's become a huge problem because now what's happening is the ER is swamped with so many influenza-like symptoms where people could stay at home and treat themselves.
Nurse practitioner Alberta Espin says instead of clogging ER waiting rooms, if you feel you need to see a physician, you should be at places like her facility, the Urgent Care Walk-in Clinic in Brown Deer. But even they will give you bad news. Espin says there is not much out there to treat the flu.
Keep yourself hydrated. Take some ibuprofen for the joint pain. Lay low, lay low, lay low.
Even prescription medicines like Tamiflu are worthless after 48 hours and not guaranteed to work. Instead, doctors say, get cozy, get away from people, and do not head to the ER.
If you're healthy, if you have a competent immune system, you can ride this out.
Who may need to see a doctor, those with pre-existing conditions, the elderly or the very young, but you may have better luck actually coming to a place like here at a walk-in clinic. The lines are much shorter, and if you need to go to the ER, they'll refer you right there. We're live in Brown Deer tonight. Ben Handelman, Fox 6 News.
You know, Ben, when I came down with the flu a couple of weeks ago, I had a lot of wheezing, so I wanted to make sure it was not pneumonia. So I went to the walk-in clinic, one of the ones in our area. There was a 2-hour wait. And then it was an hour and 15-minute wait at the other one. I finally found one about 30 minutes away to drive to where I could get in. So it was already backed up 2 weeks ago.
And I'll tell you, it is worse at the emergency rooms today. Hours of waiting. They say if you really need to see a doctor, you can come here to the walk-in clinic. Yeah, you might have to wait a while. And then I've been through it too. They just kind of stare at you in the face and say,
"Ride it out, pal."
There's not a whole lot they can do. So
yeah,
it's been a tough season.
Yep, you're just wasting your time and money. But yeah, don't go to the ER, folks. Come on, man. That's for serious injuries and stuff. People with life-threatening problems, not for your flu bug. All right, Ben. Good heads up. Thanks.
You're sick and then you wait hours in the ER?